Hey everyone, today I want to share with you this lovely gift that I was gifted from Alyona Creates. She sent me some of her new ephemera. She also has really great stamps and stencils, so please check out her Etsy shop, and she also has a new class. I really love the community we have here on YouTube, and I love supporting my fellow artists. I also have something fun hopefully arriving very soon. I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. But for now, I thought we could look at these beauties. So I'm gonna start with the florals because I just love florals, and these are die cuts. So this is such a great way if you don't feel so confident about painting your own florals. This is a really great way of still including them in your art journal. There are 45 pieces here, and it has this just lovely, whimsical, beautiful style. Obviously these are all hand painted. Well, you know, it's printed, but the original artwork is hand painted by Alyona, and she has this lovely modern botanical style, which I personally really love. That combination of pen, ink work, or ink and watercolor is very appealing to me. Ah, this is so pretty. So this would work for you if you do art journaling. If you're a scrapbooker, these would be just beautiful. When I scrapbooked, my favorite pieces always, I think I talked about it in so many videos, it was always the floral pieces. Oh, how pretty is that? So pretty. And yeah, and this is kind of a dream come true, just a pack of only florals. So these are lovely. The quality is beautiful. The cut, you can see, is really well made, and there are no like off cuts or anything like that, which is, you know, some issues that sometimes you see with this type of product. These are really lovely. And yeah, you're supporting, you know, a small business owned by a lovely woman. So how can you not want to do that? And then the second one, this is really fun. So she does also faces, and I hope, Alyona, if you're watching, that you're going to do also a course showing us how you paint your lovely face illustrations. And yeah, I would love to know how you kind of developed your style. So these are incredible, and they're so lovely. There are 31 pieces here, and I think they're all different, which is great. That means you get a lot of variety. I don't think I see any doubles, and if they are, then it's only, I think, like 2 of each design, because no, I don't think. I think they're all different, which is great. That is lovely. So again, if you are not comfortable with illustrating your own, you know, faces, this is a great way of adding these images to your art journal. So I think for me, an art journal would be kind of a great place for these. And then these you can use on cards, art journals, scrapbooking. You know, you can put them in your planner. As she says here on the package, there is no limit to your creativity, and yeah, the only limit is your imagination. So I hope you will check her shop out. These are lovely, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.